how to cancel ESPN Plus subscription step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your ESPN application, or you can even use the web browser version, right? So after like opening the ESPN here, make sure that you are logged into your account. So after making sure that you are logged into your account, now you can tap on the more icon that you will be able to see on the navigation bar right here. After tapping on that more icon, you'll actually be able to see your profile. Simply tap on your profile and then you'll actually be able to see the option of manage my ESPN Plus subscription. What you're going to do is keep on scrolling until you find that, then simply tap on that option, and after tapping on that option, you'll be able to see the option of cancel subscription again if you scroll all the way down. So simply tap on that option, cancel subscription, and then you can now review all of the details and confirm your cancellation, and that is exactly how you will be able to cancel your ESPN Plus subscription. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.